Imagine revolutionizing your fitness routine in just 4 minutes. That's the promise of Tabata Workouts, a high-intensity interval training method developed by Japanese scientist Dr. Izumi Tabata. By alternating 20 seconds of maximum effort with 10 seconds of rest, repeated 8 times, you can achieve remarkable fitness results in a fraction of the time. Here are some of the most effective Tabata workouts to help transform your body. 1. Bodyweight Tabata. Bodyweight exercises are perfect for Tabata workouts because they require no equipment and can be done anywhere. A typical bodyweight Tabata routine might include 1. Squats. Engage your legs and glutes while maintaining good form. 2. Push-ups. Target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. 3. Burpees. Combine a squat, push-up, and jump to engage multiple muscle groups. 4. Mountain climbers. Elevate your heart rate while working your core and legs. Perform each exercise for 20 seconds, rest for 10 seconds, and move on to the next one. Repeat the cycle twice for a complete 4-minute workout. This routine not only builds strength, but also improves cardiovascular endurance. 2. Dumbbell Tabata. Incorporating dumbbells into your Tabata workout can intensify the exercises and further enhance muscle building. Here's a sample dumbbell Tabata workout. 1. Dumbbell thrusters. Combine a squat with a shoulder press to work your entire body. 2. Bent over rows. Target your back muscles. 3. Dumbbell swings. Engage your hips, glutes, and shoulders. 4. Rows. Work your core and upper body simultaneously. As with the bodyweight Tabata, perform each exercise for 20 seconds with 10 seconds of rest, repeating the cycle twice. The added resistance from the dumbbells will help build muscle and increase overall strength. 3. Cardio Tabata. Cardio-focused Tabata workouts are excellent for improving cardiovascular health and burning calories quickly. A typical cardio Tabata might include 1. High knees. Run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. 2. Jumping jacks. A classic exercise to get your heart pumping. 3. Box jumps. Find a sturdy surface to jump on while engaging your legs and core. 4. Sprint intervals. Sprint in place, or if you have space, in a straight line. Perform each exercise for 20 seconds with 10 seconds of rest, repeating the cycle twice. This routine is great for boosting your metabolism and shedding fat. 4. Core Tabata. Focusing on core exercises in a Tabata workout can help strengthen your abdominal muscles and improve overall stability. Try this core-centric routine. 1. Plank holds. Maintain a plank position, focusing on form and stability. 2. Russian twists. Sit on the floor and twist your torso side to side, holding a weight if desired. 3. Leg raises. Lie on your back and lift your legs, keeping them straight. 4. Bicycle crunches. Alternate bringing your knees to your elbows in a cycling motion. Perform each exercise for 20 seconds with 10 seconds of rest, repeating the cycle twice. Strengthening your core will enhance your overall fitness and protect against injuries. Tabata workouts are an incredibly efficient way to boost your fitness, build strength, and burn fat in just 4 minutes. By incorporating bodyweight exercises, dumbbells, cardio, and core routines, you can target all major muscle groups and achieve a comprehensive workout. The high intensity of Tabata not only improves physical performance, but also elevates your metabolism, leading to greater calorie burn throughout the day. Whether you're short on time or looking to add variety to your fitness routine, Tabata workouts offer a transformative approach to achieving your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.